Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asunlocker solution. We are going to help you how to register and active the Chimera tool very easily. Chimera tool has three services, three package: basic, professional, and premium. To buy the service, you have to visit the asunlocker.com. We are already on asunlocker.com. Click on the order now. Click the server service. On the search box, write the Chimera. Just write in here Chimera. You can see the Chimera tool services or Chimera tool basic and Chimera tool premium, Chimera tool professional. You can choose any services that you want. You have to read the service description, select the service, and you can read the service information, service price, and phone connection. You have to unlock a maximum 100 phone, or you can use the 1 year. All packages 1 year services, basic also 1 year, professional also 1 year, premium also 1 year. But phone has limited. You can maximum unlock 100 phone, 1500 phone, or 5000 phone. Professional premium, it is the expensive, also 5000 phone you can use. You can see here also the no place order button. So how to use the place order button? You will show everything. First of all, you have to register the Chimera. Go to chimeratool.com. And register here. Click here to register. You can see here the username field. Write your username here. You can use your any username. That's the username you want, you can use, but it will be unique, must be unique. If already used this username, so you cannot use it, and you can see the error already used. So we are going to write a username. We write the username as Asunlocker Team Chimera, and we will write our email in here. You have to use your own email. Then you will get a email confirmation email. Then you have to set password from your email. You cannot set password in here. Chimera will directly send automatically a email, and click on this email and set your password. We're going to use our email. Same email you have to write on the second box. Email address again. Select your own language. You can see here the language option: English and Hungarian, Spanish, French, Turkish, Arabic, Russian, Chinese, Portuguese. That's the one you can use your own. Right here this key that you can see on the. Click on the agree with terms and condition. Read the terms and condition and accept the terms and condition. Click on down. You can see here the email has been sent. So we have to check our email and set our password also. We are going to log in our email from our another browser. You can see here that Chimera tool already sent us a mail. Click on the link, also activation link here. Click on the link and write your password that you want to use for Chimera. Same password write on the second box. Click on active. activated successfully. It is our username. You can see it is also logging successfully. Marcus read this message. You can see there is no license, credit balance, and username. Welcome Asunlocker team Chimera. Copy the username and now go to asunlocker.com again. Then choose any service that you want. A Chimera Tool Premium or Basic or Professional. Any service you can choose. If you chose the Chimera Tool Premium or Basic, any others, but all are same thing. Paste here the username. There is no place order, so how can you order the place? You have to click on the verify with Chimera Tool. Click on yellow. Continue. Enter your Chimera Tool user password. You can see here the thank you authentication successful, and within few seconds you can see the place order button automatically show to you. Until you verify your Chimera Tool username, you cannot order. It is the rules of the Chimera. You have to verify your username first before order. If you cannot see the username, place order option, click again to verify. You can see the place order option. Now click on the place order and it will be activated within 30 to 10 to 30 seconds. Thanks for watching my video and stay with Asunlocker, and I hope this video will be helpful for you to buy the Chimera Tool. And we are the official reseller of Chimera Tool. If you check the Chimera Tool reseller option, you can see our information on the website. Thank you. Thanks for using Asunlocker.